Hello, everybody. This is Tech Dumps, and I am back to bring you another sad server run through. This week, I'm gonna go for a more of a medium one, but if you did not notice, would you take a look at how nice this new setup looks, breaking it out into the mediums, the hards. I don't think I remember seeing that last time. We'll take a look over, see what looks good, what looks hard. Um, I think I'll go with can't write into database. Okay, we're gonna go with that one and just give it a shot. It looks like a good one. So let's go over here and fire it up. And wanted to bring some exciting news to everyone who listens to me regularly, which is a few of you, but it could be all of you. So if you like this video or any of the other content that I am putting out, please feel free to drop a like, a subscribe, and leave some comments telling me how you're feeling about what I'm doing. And that exciting news is I'm a first-time home buyer, and it's really great for me and my family, and I'm super excited for the opportunity to give home ownership a try. I can already tell you that it is a headache. Hopefully it gets better with time to actually starting to do this challenge. So can't write the database, pretty broad, don't know what else. Let's see what they give me here. Test. Let's try. Let's just see what that gives us and work our way from there. All right, so we are getting error connection on socket, no socket there. Um, okay, if that file doesn't actually exist, let's go ahead and create it. And that seems pretty easy. So I'm gonna go ahead and assume we're gonna have some stuff to do after that, but that log's telling us pretty much what we need to do, and that is just create it. And if this is as easy as I think it's gonna be, we shall be uh yeah, I'm root. Never mind. Let's change the file ownership on this to match anything else that's in this already. So let's see. There we go. We got an account to throw it on to. Easy day. Let's type this out and now it should be good. Not quite. Okay, so still getting connection refused. Let's see. We got a config file and we also got just gonna look for anything interesting that catches my eye here. That caught my eye. I'm gonna go ahead and comment that back in, I guess, or uncomment it. And let's just change it to listen on everything. Makes sense to me. Throw a star in there. It's got to be working now. Why wouldn't it be working? Let's try it again. Let's just try restarting the service. Maybe there is a restart needed for that to take place. Easy enough, though. They give us it right there, so did I do. Just a mistype there, missing the S. Let's throw that on there and just walk the rabbit a little bit more. We can go ahead and give it another shot now. Still getting connection refused. Maybe let's check some of the other services. We got red. Red never makes me feel good. Red's never a good thing that people try to put it in. So let's take a look at why this one's not running. It is also, or at least it looks like it's probably important too. Um, throw this in, see what it's giving us. Uh, I don't really work with post GRE SQL databases ever, if at all. So let's see if we can't take a look at what this is. And let's give it a shot. I find that usually the first answer um, isn't the one that fixes it, but who knows? So I'm just going to follow these steps. Sometimes it's as easy as just Googling what you don't know and working your way through. So if you are looking at becoming a systems administrator or even a Linux administrator, don't be afraid to Google to find things out. I know it's a cliche at this point, but sometimes it needs to be said. And you're probably going to feel some imposter syndrome because of that. That's okay. You are good enough. I believe in you. Yeah, that makes sense. No space left on disk. It's probably going to cause some issues. Kind of realize that I'm already running as root here, but there we go. Let's see. Definitely is full. No ifs, ands, or buts. That's a full. That's a little cheeky. Don't know what that means. Definitely looks like we can delete it. Looks like no issue there. ASDS, I don't know. Yeah, looks like we can remove this. But that one's not the big one. 69. Okay, kind of awesome, but not the one that's going to be causing the issue. I think the file one's going to be causing the issue here. At least of why we've got no space. So let's just go ahead and delete both of those. And, we trust it. Let's get them both out of here. 13% used. That means we got a lot left over to try to start the service again. And let's just go through and, well, let's try finishing out what this person was saying. Restart. So yeah, I mean, doing this whole administration thing can be fun. So having these little tests to do are pretty cool. I'm not gonna lie. Um, I think we can all see what I did is just actually start the service. But this gives us a chance to talk a little bit. And I really want to know what you guys want to see out of my videos and what you guys do for a living. Are you guys systems administrators? Are you Linux engineers? Are you just watching these videos because you like the sound of my voice and think it's a good video? Maybe not that last one, but really, feel free to shoot a comment, talk to me in some sort of way to convey that. And it'd mean a lot to hear from you guys and see what you have to throw out about possible videos in the future or how you think that these current ones are going. But I'm thinking this is pretty much going to be the end of this challenge. Let's go ahead and just start this service and we should be good. Go back to SAD server and check our solution. And I'm sure it is going to work though, so we are going to get the explosions that we want to see. Please join me for another video on another day.